Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hi everyone, we're going to start off with a scripture for today. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Hebrews 13:16. Hey everyone, I am back again with another hot job lead. This one is with Amazon Jobs, okay, for a technical customer service specialist online, okay, Amazon Web Services. So the job description, the AWS customer service team provides support to a wide range of external customers, helping them understand the benefits and capabilities of the AWS's cloud computing services. This team focuses on assisting customers with their account and billing related inquiries, okay? As a technical support representative, you will engage enterprise level customers with their billing accounts and their concerns, okay? So you basically will be like a SME, which is a subject matter expert on enterprise accounting and billing issues, okay? So your key job responsibilities, you'll be working with enterprise customers to understand how they use AWS account and billing services and providing valuable feedback. Process accounts and billing related customer cases through case management, email, chat, and phone tools. All right, building close relationships with your customers to understand their business, operational needs, and technical challenges, and help them achieve the greatest value from AWS. You will drive projects that improve customer interactions with AWS account and billing information as well. Okay. There's more, of course. You will assist with enterprise customer communication during AWS critical launches and support events, assuming responsibility for developing detailed knowledge about AWS specific product and features. This role does require the ability to work weekends and or evenings. Okay. So then it goes on to tell you about the team, the inclusive team culture. We embrace our differences. We are committed to furthering our culture of inclusion. We have 10 employee-led affinity groups reaching 40,000 employees in over 190 chapters globally. Okay. Amazon's culture of inclusion is reinforced within our 16 leadership principles, which remind team members to seek diverse perspectives, learn and be curious, and earn trust. All right, work-life balance. Our team puts a high value on work-life balance. All right, we believe striking the right balance between your personal and professional life is critical to lifelong happiness and fulfillment. We offer flexibility in working hours and encourage you to find your own balance between your work and personal lives. The mentorship and career growth. Our team is dedicated to supporting new members. We have a broad mix of experience levels and tenures. All right. So we'll help each other or the team develop into a better rounded place. Your basic qualifications, you have them here. And then they have the preferred qualifications as well. All right. So you could go ahead and read all of that information there. It pays $51,800 to $90,600 per year, okay? So if you are indeed interested in applying for this position, go ahead and scroll back up to the top and click on apply now, okay? And again, if you're not interested, send it to someone that may be, all right? Now, I do advise you hop on this quickly because everybody knows jobs with Amazon, whether it's online or in person, does not last long at all. And good luck to those who apply, and see you next time.
you get to cry. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.